After playing with my new receiver, the Pioneer VSX LX805, review on the top right there. And after playing a slew of movies on my Kaleidoscape, review on the top right there. I just realized something important. I never made a video about recommended settings on my BenQ W5800. You can click for the review on the top right hand corner as well. And without further ado, here you go. Please note as a reference point that I use Stewart Studio Tech 130 G4 screen, projected from 12 feet away. So after you turn on your projector, go to the picture mode, and from picture mode, choose filmmaker mode. Just make sure the gamma is at 2.4 and color temperature at normal. Now please bear in mind that there are slight differences between one projector to the next. There are even greater differences depending on what screen you use, which brand, which model. They will all yield different results. So remember, this calibration settings are just the basic generic settings and not 100% calibrated. If your screen is not Stewart Studio Tech 130 G4, the values may differ from projector and screen to the next. The same goes to the HDR settings. Make sure you play something in HDR before doing this. So while the movie in HDR is playing, go to the picture mode and then choose filmmaker mode. Leave everything as is. And make sure the gamma is at 2.4 and color temperature normal. So that's it. I hope it helps. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.